In a statement on the Adventure and Underwater Products Facebook page, who appear to be the Australian distributor of several diving brands, including Hollis, the statement warns users of the Hollis 200LX regulator to stop using the regulator and to contact their nearest Hollis dealer. Now, this isn't a product recall, but it may turn into one in the coming days. The statement reads, if you own a Hollis 200LX second stage regulator in any configuration, please read this carefully. Huish Outdoors has issued a stop use, stop sale notice for 200LX second stage regulators due to reports of internal components potentially separating or fracturing. While no incidents have been reported during an active dive, damage to the inlet tube assembly could render the second stage non-functional, which presents as a serious safety risk. It then lists the affected products and their part numbers, including a purchase window between May 2nd, 2017 and February 12th, 2026, as well as what you must do. Do not dive with the affected regulator, remove it from service immediately, do not attempt to repair or modify the product. Huish Outdoors is finalizing replacement parts and a standardized retrofit procedure. A follow-up notice will be issued soon outlining the repair process and next steps. If you have any immediate questions, please contact your nearest Hollis Scuba Center or reach out to recalls@hollis.com. Your safety is the priority. Please share this post with anyone who may own a Hollis 200LX regulator. So, put simply, there seems to be a report of one or more second stages breaking in a way that could be dangerous, and they are organizing means to replace affected parts. But for now, if you do own a 200LX, red tag it, put it to one side so it doesn't get used, and message your local Hollis dealer or Hollis themselves so that they can advise you on what to do next.